Recently, EKU Libraries purchased access to 39 children's books in ebook format. This is to support our education students, as we know that many of you are taking classes and living off campus during the pandemic. These books are available through a platform called MackinVIA. There are two ways to access the MackinVIA ebooks. First, from the library's homepage, choose the link to databases. Then, look in the alphabetical listing under M. MackinVIA should be the first option. You can also get to the MackinVIA collection by visiting libguides.eku.edu/Mackin. Once inside the MackinVIA interface, choose the Groups link. From there, you will find the link to access the collection of ebooks the library has purchased. There are also quite a few free ebooks that came with our subscription to MackinVIA. You can view or use any of these books as well. Use the links on the left to browse by categories or to view titles by format.